Very good evening to all the participants who have joined here in this Google Meet regarding a session on counseling session. We are here to discuss pros and cons of what a student should do after graduation and what are the benefits for doing MCA and what benefit he will get after graduation if he joins an MCA course. So Ms. Ekta Tyagi will throw some light on this session clearly and prospectively on our behalf. And I would like to introduce Ms. Ekta Tyagi to continue this session from here. Ms. Ekta Tyagi.
Okay, thank you, sir. Hello, everyone. This is Ekta Tyagi, Assistant Professor in MIT College. So let's start today's counseling session. Okay. So we will start this session with the question, what after the graduation? So it's a common question that looming over young graduates' heads, that what they should do after graduation. Okay, so to all IT graduates who are looking their career in IT sector, so MCA is gonna be a good choice for them. Okay. So basically, Master of Computer Application is a popular postgraduate program that offers a blend of theoretical and practical knowledge, and Indian universities provide a 2-year MCA course to meet the demand for trained IT professionals in the industry. Candidates receive training in modern programming languages and learn how to develop fast applications for contemporary business. The student has to take up professional certificates or course to have a well-established career after MCA. So now the another question, that why MCA at MIT? So here I'll discuss why you should go for MIT if you are choosing the course MCA and if you are trying to build your career in IT sector. So here is a brief introduction about MIT. So it has been established in 1997 and had been established by Shri Chandra Sen Agrawal, who was Secretary to Government of Uttar Pradesh. Now, this is the first college that have IT and first college to have BTech in biotechnology. So there are so many things that this particular institution have, like this is the one of the top running private institution of Uttar Pradesh, approved by AICTE New Delhi and affiliated to AKTU University. So if we are talking about the MCA department, so our department officially ranked first in all AKTU colleges, and it's according to 2018 result, and ranked second in according to the result of 2017. So if we are talking about the academics, so MIT MCA having a very rich amount of academics, so you can see the medals here, like we have continuously won 3 gold medals and we are hat-trick in this. We are having 4 gold medals, 2 silver medals, 3 bronze medals since 2010, and we got a bronze medal in 2018. If we are talking about the recent, so Himani Arora MCA department 2020 won the 4th rank in all over UP in AKTU. So MIT at a glance, it is having the 11 departments, 5,000 plus students are there, 400 plus faculty members, PhD faculty members is 50 plus, and there are so many other things. So the courses that the MIT MCA has provided, MIT has provided, that is BTech, MTech, MBA, MCA, B Pharma, M Pharma. And there are several new courses has been introduced in 2018. These are like BBA, BCA, BSc Home Science, BSc Agriculture, BCom, and D Pharma. So if we are talking about the industry demand, so industry is demanding for the SAP consultant, Salesforce developer, data scientist, IBM big data engineer, Java developer, PHP developer, web designer, software tester, cloud architect. Example, you can say the AWS, Amazon Web Services. So what other colleges providing and what MIT is providing is the difference. In other colleges, you are go through with the syllabus only, and in MIT, you are go through with the new industry demand, that is SAP, Salesforce, Amazon Web Services, big data trainings, and so on. So in MIT, we are having the industry-oriented skill enhancement labs, like we are having the Salesforce lab here, we are having the cloud computing AWS lab here, IBM Big Data Analytics lab here, IBM Blockchain lab here, SAP lab here, IBM Bluemix Cloud Computing lab, Adobe Web Analytics lab. So these are the things that MIT has providing beyond the syllabus. Means these are the things that give you a more impact when you are going for the interview, because you know something else from the syllabus. It is not like that you have done the MCA and that is the AKT syllabus that you only know. So here are the things for that companies are looking. So we are having the institute and company collaboration here. Like MIT is collaborated with the several companies like IBM, SAP, and the Wipro, and many more. So in every course or in every branch in our college, we'll provide the skill enhancement training, that is skill enhancement training for CSIT and MCA, skill enhancement training for civil, mechanical, chemical, and the other branches too. So MIT has prepared you for the competitive environment also. Like here, so many other things other than the academics also we are doing, and the personality development classes has been organized, aptitude training during winter and summer break, companies specific trainings, domain specific training during summer and winter vacations, online test module to develop conceptual understanding, opportunities to get certified by the industries. So there are so many things that you will do here, and you can utilize here that you are doing something else than the syllabus. Yeah, MIT has a wide alumni network. We are having extensive alumni network in over 200 plus companies. Every year, 400 plus companies visited our campus. Our alumni are well placed and well established around the world. Our alumni are almost in every leading organization and MNCs. There are some alumni who are successfully entrepreneurs here. So there are some of our alumni who are now working in the MNCs, like, so if you wish to work in MNC, so go for it. Like Wipro, TCS, Wabcool, IBM, and many more. So MIT BI, that is MIT Business Incubator, that helps you to give, or you can say to exclude the opportunity to launch yourself as a full-fledged entrepreneur. Now, beyond the academics, we are having several clubs and societies that conduct cultural events, art and craft events, sport events, and our students are also take interest in social causes. Like these are the events that going on throughout the session. Like Endura is for the annual sports fest. Kolahal, the most awaited event of the region. This is the annual fest of the MIT. Glitz, that is for annual literary fest, and the RoboChamp, that is our national level robot Olympiad. Codzilla is for coding. It's a coding contest. Chitrayatra is for the annual fine arts exhibition. Rangotsav is annual art fest, and Mobicom is for the mobile app competition. So these are the things that beyond the academics you will involve into this. So scope of you can say the MCA, in what fields you can go after MCA, like you can go in software developer, you can go in database engineer, cloud architect, data scientist, business analyst, technical writer, web designer or developer, IT architect, software consultant, manual tester, troubleshooter, network engineer, ethical hacker, quality assurance analyst, project manager. So here's a career path for MCA. If we are saying that in IT, what we are having the like hardware is having the 22%, and software capturing the 33%, and the services capturing the 45%. So there are companies which are software based, like Lenovo, IBM, Oracle, means they are producing the softwares and so on. So here are some service based companies that you can go for after MCA, like TCS, Google, Cisco, Flipkart, Redbus, etc. So here are some cloud based companies also, like Sun, IBM, Google, Microsoft, and many more. So I hope this session will help you to find your question that what you do after graduation. And so if you are looking your career in IT sector, so you can choose MCA, and it's going to be a good choice for you, that you can enter yourself into the world of IT.